Hi, I'm Angela Godwin with Water World Magazine. Joining me today is my guest, Gary Haggard. He is with Ovivo. Gary, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
I want to talk to you a little bit about Ovivo's Clarifier Systems group, because it's not just about the clarifier. You actually support a lot of different products within the company. Can you talk more about that?
I sure can, and there are a lot of them. Almost all of them are legacy products, meaning they've been around for a long time. They're either EnviroQuip legacy products, IMCO legacy products, or Dora Oliver legacy products, all three companies that are under the same Ovivo umbrella. We're the only group within Ovivo that has both drinking water products and wastewater products.
Wow,
so
interesting.
All of the Ovivo water treatment plant products are within our group. Almost from the front of a water treatment plant to the back, we can do rapid mix, we can do clarifiers, we can do filters, all the equipment that goes with a filter, media, backwash troughs, controls. Usually we let our representatives do the valves and some of the buyout, things like that, but there are designs for pump backwash systems for filters. There are designs for gravity backwash systems. We have two different designs for that. There was a time when one of them was patented and was a really big seller for us, and a lot of these products were installed initially in the 80s and 90s, and now with the time that's gone by and their age and everything, there's a lot of retrofitting of a lot of them.
I bet.
There are a lot of cities that have grown and need to be expanded.
Sure.
So we've expanded a lot of products as well as
that makes sense.
Them. So on the wastewater side, which is where the clarifier product comes in, we do grit removal. In the headworks, we have two different screens, a fine screen and a coarse screen in the headworks. We have the rapid sludge removal clarifier, sludge thickeners, and we're getting into a ceramic membrane, which actually three of the product groups are using this membrane for tertiary filtration and for low phosphorus removal. Some states require extremely low phosphorus removal levels, like below 0.1 milligrams a liter, and about the only thing that's been tested and known to get the levels down that far is a membrane, and we're really excited about the ceramic membrane.
Excellent, excellent.
It's going to be a really neat product for us.
You
as
mentioned
well.
patents a little while back. Now, are there any currently? You have some processes that are patented right now?
Yeah, with those products being a little older and the designs not being new, not the latest thing, not the iPhone or whatever.
Right.
We're trying to keep them relevant. So there's three different products that we have patents on. One is the rapid sludge removal clarifier. The design is such that we remove the solids from the floor of the clarifier right where they settle. A lot of clarifiers move them to the center, to a center hopper. These pick up the solids with vertical tubes into an open trough, and we use straight V-plow flights to move the solids to those pickup points. So in the last 10 years probably, clarifier manufacturers, including us, have introduced a product called a spiral blade type clarifier, where it's just one single blade that extends from the outside of the basin all the way into the center. So you kind of roll the solids all the way into the center, as opposed to overlapping flights in revolutions. So you can get the solids to the middle and get them out quicker.
Wow.
So we've incorporated our rapid sludge removal design with the spiral flights. So we can get the solids to that pickup point and get them out of the basin within one revolution. Which is pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, we're pretty excited about doing that.
So now, if anybody watching, if they want to learn a little bit more about any of the products that we talked about today, where would you send them for some information?
They would go to Ovivo USA's website. Yeah, and it's a pretty easy site to navigate. I think they'll find all of our products, at least for the clarifier side, in sedimentation is the category. All the drinking water products are in that category, and there's some that I haven't even mentioned yet. We have a solids contact clarifier that's just on the water treatment plant side, that's ahead of the filters. And we've done a lot of common wall construction filters and clarifiers together, as opposed to what we call a campus style, where things are all spread out everywhere, and you got sidewalks and all that stuff. everything's right there together. The operator gets up on the top of the plant, he can see the clarifier, he can see the filters. It's much easier to maintain and do your sampling and know what's going on. So yeah, pretty neat.
Terrific.
Yeah.
Well, Gary, we really appreciate you chatting with us today and running us through the department and what you guys do. We appreciate it.
Well, great.
It was
Thanks
a pleasure
for having
meeting
me.
you.
Okay.
Wish you all the best of luck going
Thank
forward.
you very much. All right.
For Water World Magazine, I'm Angela Godwin.